It's Bill Soriano here from Pittsburgh. Hey, 10:37 a.m. Wednesday, 4/22. I posted in the group here. This was actually the first losing day um, that we had here. These were trades from uh, earlier today, obviously 4/22. These trades closed today, so it's really been like the first losing day that we had here with these two trades here, the AUD NZD and AUD USD trades both going against us and getting stopped out at losses. These two trades here were two positions I took in EUR GBP. If you remember yesterday, I took these live, and these were actually New York City reversal trades. So these aren't part of our testing for the Fibo Quantum Indicator. And that was also this one here. If you remember yesterday, this one GBP USD short trade was a Fibo Quantum trade, and then this was the New York City reversal trade, taking it back up. So our first losing day, no big deal, guys. You can't win them all. You're not going to win them all in Forex. And sometimes you're going to get some losing days in a row, actually. But if we can win 60, 70% of our trades, we'll be in good shape, believe me. So anyway, let me just get to the charts here real fast. And I did take a trade here this morning, just a little while ago in EUR USD. So there's a lot of news right now. There was a lot of news coming out at 10:30 on the dollar. One particular news event was a 3 bull one, meaning it was a high alert news event, right? So probably shouldn't have taken the trade, but what happened was it actually started moving down prior to the news coming out. So, I figured that, we're on demo, so let's test it out, see what happens. And I got to move the stop loss. I have it in the wrong place here. Let me fix it. The stop loss goes right there. So we took the trade. Right now we're in profit a little bit, and we'll see what happens with that. So anyway, looking at that trade, as you can see, the moving averages are pretty close together. However, we were red, white, and blue at the time of the trade, just barely. Um, and the sell entry, the sell signal, and price were both below the 89-day moving average. We were on day 6 of our downtrend. So day 6 is significant because on day 6, you can go either way. You could still stay with the trend, or if a reversal presents itself, even though the uptrend would not be confirmed, there are a couple scenarios where we could take that reversal trade as well on day 6. So if this trend continues down here, which hopefully it does today, since we took this trade, then after today we wouldn't want to take any more short positions, because after day 6 we're looking for the reversal. So that doesn't mean that short positions won't present themselves and they'll be winning trades. It's just we're looking for the reversal at that point. So here's our stop loss is set here. Our take profits right here at take profit 1, which is about 29 pips away. And what's significant here is right here is the ADR low. So since the ADR low is below our take profit, we were able to take this trade. Now, if this ADR low was all the way up here, then we may have wanted to stay away from that trade. As long as it's away from where we're trying to get our profit, we're okay to take the trade. Okay. Really, there's not much going on. The only other thing I wanted to show you was, if I can see yesterday where we took, well, yesterday we took this short position here, right? And this was one of the losing ones, and ended up, we were up, almost probably to our profit target, and then it went against us and eventually stopped us out right here. If you look at this one candle right here last night, it was a huge candle that shot up there and just reached up to our stop loss and stopped us out. So that's what happened there. And then the other losing trade was AUD NZD. And what happened there was we took the short position right here, right? And this just, wait, it wasn't right there, was it? Wait, we're on the wrong chart here. Let me get to the hour chart here. I want to show you something on the 15-minute chart there as well. This is AUD NZD. We took a short position here, and this just, it just went right against us. So that's going to happen sometimes. And then that same hourly candle there that took us out on the other one took us out here as well. And then this just shot up further. And what do you see here? You see red ADR lines, right? They're lit up red. That means that the average daily range for this pair has been met and exceeded for the day, right? Again, the average daily range is the difference between the high and the low each day. So this particular one takes 15-day values, adds them up, divides by 15, gives you an average daily range. And then that average daily range is used by the indicator to calculate the high and the low for the day. Okay, so this has been met. So we're past the New York Open right now. It's about 10:43. But if we get some kind of indication that this is about to reverse, we could take a trade up until noon, right? So if we need to take those trades on the 15-minute chart. Remember, this isn't using the Fibo Quantum Indicator. This is a different technique here. So again, the ADR has been met. We need to see 3 intraday levels, right? 3 pushes up. So if you see here, moves up, there's 1, pulls back. Here's another move up, there's 2. Here's another move up, there's 3. So we're actually on our 4th move up here at this point. And it is best to wait for the 4th move most of the time. So now this is pushing upward here. So at some point here between noon, and I'll come back on if it gives us an entry indication, we're going to look for some kind of a bearish candle to present itself here, or we would look for some kind of an M pattern here at the top of the range here. But this would have to happen between noon in order for us to take this New York City reversal trade. Remember, yesterday we took 2 of them, and both of them won, by the way. So that's all that's going on right now. I wanted to show you. I'm going to look for this. If something changes here, I'll come back on live to show you if I decide to take that New York City reversal trade. But as far as our Fibo Quantum Indicator trades, right now we're in this trade right here, EUR USD. We're kind of right where we got in at this point. We got in a little bit late. We missed the we missed the indicator. I stepped away from the computer and missed the alert going off that we moved through the sell entry. And again, we're red, white, and blue. The sell signal and price were both below the 89, and we're on day 6 of the downtrend. It's day 6 of the global trend. That's the global trend count that I talk about in the training and in the rules document that's in the group. And again, we took this trade. We seen that the ADR low was down here below where we want to get out with our profit, so it was okay to take the trade. And if something happens here in this, I will come back on and let you know. Other than that, I will talk to you later on. Have a great day.